Over the next few minutes, I will introduce you to the AccellosOne Warehouse Management System, built for the small to medium-sized business, with standard integrations to many leading ERP systems and the ability to adapt to non-standard, homegrown, and legacy business systems both on-premise and in the cloud. There are a few solution types available for warehouse automation. At the low end, there are point solutions that attempt to automate existing processes by overlaying barcoding and data collection capabilities. The biggest risk with these solutions is they do not enable warehouse best practices, so you might just end up doing the wrong things, only faster. At the other extreme are Tier 1 WMS solutions. These solutions offer the ability to leverage operational best practices, but typically come at a very high cost in terms of hard cash investment and time and effort to implement. For the small to medium-sized business, or SMB, you'll end up paying for functionality that is seldom, if ever, used. AccellosOne WMS is built specifically for the SMB market. We offer best-of-breed functionality to allow you to re-engineer your processes. And with our value-based approach, you only need to pay for the functionality you will use. Because we can be up and running in as little as 90 to 120 days, you'll be able to more quickly realize your return on investment. In recent reviews, Accellos is positioned at the top of the SMB solution market, and for good cause. With over 14,000 customers in 77 countries, 770 employees, $150 million in revenues, and strong financial backing from Accel KKR, Accellos is positioned to be your long-term supply chain solutions partner. When evaluating a partner, key things to consider include: does the company have the skilled resources to support your implementation and training requirements on site? Does the company offer other integrated supply chain solutions such as shipping, transportation management, and EDI ASN compliance? And does the solution offer the depth of best practices functionality to support your operational requirements? A key enabler to synchronized inventory and data flow is automated data collection or mobile computing. AccellosOne WMS offers native radio frequency data collection as a part of the solution in a real-time rather than batch processing environment. While the solution will work in a paper-based environment, significant productivity and inventory accuracy improvements are realized through mobile computing. And due to the mission-critical and time-sensitive nature of warehouse operations, you should expect sub-second response time on all mobile computing transactions, even during peak activity times. AccellosOne WMS also supports voice picking for companies interested in a heads-up, hands-free pick process. Your ERP has the management tools for finance, purchasing, customer order entry, and enterprise-wide inventory. AccellosOne WMS is a separate database and focused on the execution tools in the warehouse to process receipts, shipments, and manage high transaction volumes at the detail bin level. The back-end Microsoft SQL database is specifically tuned for heavy transaction processing. AccellosOne WMS can be implemented and used in a public or private cloud, or on-premise depending on your requirements and IT strategy. AccellosOne WMS supports multiple picking processes. The type of pick process you use is driven by cost, handling characteristics, and order profile. Cluster picking is a best practice many AccellosOne WMS customers use. With cluster picking, the operator will take multiple cartons, one for each order, on a cart, and segregate the items into each carton as picked. This reduces the average travel time per order, but adds complexity to the pick process in terms of number of cartons required, carton sizing, and pick cart design. AccellosOne WMS offers flexible shipping options to help you streamline the pick, pack, and ship process, and potentially eliminate the pack process from the workflow. While we support the traditional workflow of repacking a picked order, weighing the carton, and processing the shipment from a workstation, many of our e-commerce customers are leveraging the fully integrated AccellosOne Ship solution to pick to a pre-printed shipping label associated to the shipping carton and significantly reduce product touches and labor requirements in the shipping process. AccellosOne WMS provides detailed bin-level inventory management and views through the Inventory Work Center. AccellosOne WMS also supports flexible cycle counting, a physical inventory process, forward pick and reserve storage replenishment strategies, and configurable miscellaneous adjustments. Accellos offers a fully integrated web-based business intelligence tool incorporating content in the form of a key performance indicator library and a mechanism for pulling and displaying KPI data from various sources. If you are considering supply chain efficiency improvements, I encourage you to learn more about AccellosOne WMS, especially if you meet any of the following criteria. You view the warehouse as mission critical to your business success, or you're interested in making it a competitive differentiator. Your order volumes are growing and you're experiencing bottlenecks in getting orders efficiently shipped on time. You are already in or considering a multi-channel distribution strategy, especially e-commerce. You have a growing need for EDI and/or ASN requirements. You're interested in creating a competitive advantage through value-added services. You are experiencing challenges satisfying customer compliance labeling. You work with multiple parcel carriers and are interested in reducing shipping costs or creating a shipping profit center. Or you have at least 5 employees in the warehouse and are interested in increasing labor productivity. To see the solution in action, check out the various process demonstration videos on the Accellos YouTube channel at www.accellos.com/WMS demo videos. To learn more about the Accellos solutions built for the small to medium-sized business, send us an email at info@accellos.com or connect with one of our friendly business solution advisors at 877-805-8388.